Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Today's video is I'll be showing you guys how to set up and install this wonderful Forex trading website, which comes with notification sections and it's very advanced. It has almost all kind of features you need for your business. And the next section is, let me just dive straight to the user section. Now this is the user section. I know you'll be wondering how we're able to achieve all these results, and this is how it is and how we're able to set this up. It's kind of easy though. Just have to be patient while you watch this video from start to the end. Do not skip any part because every part is very important. See you guys at the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. This is the second segment of this video tutorial on how to install your trading website. Now this trading website is different from what you may have seen or be seeing online. This is different. It has a UI interface which is very good. Now I'm using Ostinga for this video purpose. So the next section is, just go straight to your file manager. Now you can see my website is empty. Now head straight to my public_html. I'll go to upload and select my file. So my file is uploading. I'll go back to my dashboard, and this section here we have to create our company email account, which I've done. It's very easy. If you're using a cPanel or Ostinga or different kind of hosting that has a different dashboard interface, all what you just have to do is locate the email account and create account. It's very easy. Now this section I will go straight to database. So I'll put in my database information. So after you've done this, click create. Now if you're using cPanel, what you put your password, it will take you to a new section, then it shows you all privileges. Ensure to click on that if you are using cPanel. Good. So let me go back to my file. Now you can see this has been uploaded successfully. I'll come back here. Now it's still uploading. Let me go back to my dashboard. Go to phpMyAdmin or enter phpMyAdmin. Now this section, let's go straight to the DB and click on import. Then I'll choose the file. So I've selected the file. I'll just scroll down and click on import. So our database has been installed successfully. Let me go back to my dashboard, my file manager. So I'll click on the folder and extract this. So I'll come to this section and copy all this information and move this to my public_html. Good. Now before we continue, just go to your domain and create a subdomain. Now if you're using Ostinga, come to your dashboard, go to domain and create a subdomain. If you're using cPanel, go to your domain and create a domain account. Like you just click on create domain, then just put for instance put wallet dot your domain name.com, like wallet.bgianttech.com. So that's what you do. Okay, create a subdomain just like this and create. Now you can see this is it. So I'll go back to my file manager and let me reload this section. Now this is the subdomain. Like I can say, this is the subdomain. So I'll just delete this. So you go to this wallet.co.com here. You copy all information here and move this to um, your wallet, which is your subdomain. Move this to your subdomain. And this is my subdomain. I'll move this to my subdomain and move. You get it? So once you move that to your subdomain, here will be empty. Then just go back and delete this section. Delete this section. So the next section is we just have to come and edit our .env. Good. So I'll copy my website link. I'll just change this to my website name. Then I'll go to my database and copy my database information. So as long as you're getting this script from me, ensure you watch my video to be able to do what I'm doing or to achieve the same results. Then click on save and X this section. Good. So once you're done with this, go back to your website and reload. So guys, this is the home page of the website. Like you can see, this is it. It's so nice and so responsive. Now this is how it looks. It also comes with notification sections, which is also good. Now let me just navigate to the admin dashboard. Now to get your admin information, is your admin slash your domain name slash admin login slash validate underscore admin, or domain name slash admin slash dashboard. Get it? Now go back to your PHP My Admin. Go to admins. Now go to edit. Then we have to copy our email. So paste your email here. Then this should be your admin password. Then you just have to encrypt this password and click on go. So once you go back to the admin section, so paste your admin email there and put your password here. And click sign into admin panel. Good. Now you can see we have successfully signed into this admin section. So ensure you watch this video to understand what I'm doing. Do not skip any parts, because every part of this video is very, very important. Now once I go straight to settings, then go to app settings. Now this is where we change the name. So let me just change this to my website's name. So I'll copy this full section and just paste this here also. Good. So you just paste them. Now here, this section here is where you upload your favicon and your logo. Now you can see, if you want to set a default trading win rate for users, please enter the percentage here. Now note, trade win rate depends the win rate of your users. The higher the win rate, the more profitable the trade will be. Meaning, if the trade is if you put the win rate of the trade to 20% rate, then to slow the chance of winning. You get it? Then you copy your website link. and you paste it and remove the slash behind it. Then you click what? Update. Then you come to preference. Then you do the same thing for the email. So ensure you watch what I'm doing very carefully. Scroll down. Now you can also turn off most of this information. So I won't turn them. I'll just turn on email verification. Plan cancellation, I'll just turn this on. You can turn this off. Return capital, I'll just say yes. I'll click save. And I'll go straight to email section. Now this email section is very important. Now we'll start with this. Go to send mail. Once you come to send mail, just change this to your email. Change this to your domain name or your website's name. Then you click on save. Take this back to SMTP. Now my SMTP here is smtp.ostinga.com. If you go to your email, once you create your email account, go straight to your email, your web mail, that's your inbox. You get the very first configuration settings you see, or message or inbox message you see is your main configuration settings. Now this should be your email. Then your password you created, you just copy your password and put it here. Then click on save. So after you've done this, go back to send mail. Take it back to send mail and scroll up and click save. Now we're good to go. Now the other section is you come to settings, you go to referral bonus. Now you can change referral, you can add other bonus, new users 100 for those that deposit. Let me say 50. I'll click update. Now you can change referral bonus if you want to. Direct referral, let me just put this as 15, 12, 11, 13, 11. Now I'll click update. So then I'll go back to settings again, go to payment settings. Now this section is where you have to do your payment information. So let me use this. Okay, let me just go to add new. Then let me add a new. Let me just say, let me go back first. Okay, I'll go to add new. The payment method name should be BNB. Then I'll take this to minimum here is 50 to maximum of. Okay, then the charges here is 0, which is 0%. There's no charge. Now this comes in two ways. If you're using currency type is where you put in the bank transfer information. Then you can put in your bank name, bank account, and this information. They click this as enabled and type for withdraw and deposit. Just put them as for both. Then here will be instant payment. If you have URL logo, you just upload. Okay, but now if you want to use cryptocurrency, just change this to crypto and put in the wallet information. You get it. Then you upload your barcode and the wallet type. Yeah, let me just put BNB. And the logo is not that essential though. You can just leave it and just click save method. So if you want to edit anyone, it's still the same process. Just click on USDT and go straight to the wallet section. Change this wallet, then come down and click on save changes. So basically, this is what you do. Okay. Now, if you go to payment preference, if you are using if I use a payment method, which is the manual, the automatic, you can set it here. Minimum deposit. Let me just take this to 50. Then change all this to automatic. If you're using the automatic payments. Now, if you go to gateway section, now this is the gateway for Paystack, Flutterwave, Binance, and Stripe. For coin payment, this is the gateway information. Just put in your API information. Now transfer the minimum transfer to another user using the same platform. So just change it here, okay? So basically, we've touched down the most important section of the website. And before I continue more process, I'll have to go straight to the user login registration process. So this is user account, the home page. I'll go straight to sign up. Now I'll just fill out this information. So I'll click continue. Now this password here should be a very strong password. Let me just copy my email password. If the password is not strong, it won't go through error. So ensure it's a very strong password and put in this information. They agree to this and create trading accounts. Now you can see it went through. It shows this process. Now this the Apache version for this should be 8.2. Then let me go straight to my email. So this is my email. I'll just go to verify email address, and this is it. So once I click verify email address, it takes the user instantly to the dashboard. So I'll just take this out and I'll just go straight to the process of KYC, complete this verification. So I'll just fill out this information. Now I'll click continue to address. Then continue to document. Users can select either one of this license, and let me just upload this information. So I've done that. I'll just click what confirm and submit application. Now the document type is required. Sorry, let me do that again. Now this document type section, you just have to click on any of them, something like this, and once you click on this, you come down and upload. Then I'll click submit application. Now you can see action successful. Then I'll go back to the admin section and straight up I'll go to KYC application and click on view application and see the information and go to action, then click words. Let me say account is verified and confirm. Good. So I go to user manage user, and this is user section, which is good. Now as an admin you get an email, and also the user also gets emails. You can see it. Once I go back to the user section, I'll just go straight to dashboard. Now this is it. This is the dashboard section, which is nice. Okay, so I don't want to waste much time. I'll just go straight to the most important thing here. So let me just go straight to where we have deposits. So I'll go to deposits and select any of the wallets available. Let me just say this BNB we created and put this figure, then proceed. So I'll scroll down. Once user copy this information, then upload the payment proof, then they'll click on submit payment proof. So this is how it is. So once I go back to admin, I'll go to manage deposits, and you can see it here. Once you click on this section, you're able to see the receipts and go to process. Then I go back to the dashboard section. Now this is it. Now before I go forward again, back to admin section. Let me explain. Once user comes, we have 4 kind of investment section here, or 5. So go to investment, go to legacy plan. Now you can see the plan section here. You can add, you can edit. So let me just explain this. You click on edit, put the name for the plan. Now this section here is the minimum amount. The maximum amount should be here, and here also here. Minimum return percentage and the maximum should be the same thing. If you want to add bonus, you can add bonus. Or the plain tag is what users see. Now this is startup tag. Now this interval is for daily. The percentage, this is the same amount with the return on investment, should be the same thing here. Then this investment duration can be 7 days, 14 days, 2 months, 1 year, 5 years. Then after you've done the update plan, so the same thing, the same thing you see why you want to add. You understand? Then once you come to copy trading section, go to copy trading plans. So all these are AI generated. So what you just want to do here is you can go to edit and edit all this and add your figures. It's self-explanatory. Okay. Once you come to signal provider, go to signals. The same thing. If you go to add new signal, put in a signal name, the price, and increment amount, which is the percentage. You can see it's self-explanatory, but there should be above 63%. Above 63%. Now we have the loan application section. If you go to active loans, now there's no active loans here. Now the other section here is manage trades. Okay, if you go to both trading, and go back to dashboard and go to both trading, go to all, you can see both trading here. You can add new, do not generate, just add new both trading. Go to add new, fill out the information and upload the image. It's self-explanatory. Select the type of market for this particular boat trading and the description, and add more peers to it. Add more peers during this cryptocurrency market. That's how it works. You can look the previous informations. You can go to the previous one and use to edit yours. So they're all self-explanatory. Now, once I go back to user account dashboard, user come to account statements, able to see the account information. Then come to investment plans, and let me just participate in this investment plan here. Let me say I'm investing 5,000. Join investment plans. You can see it's successful, right? Once user come to my portfolio, they're able to see their investment section. They go to view details. They can cancel the plan here. You get it. And you can also turn this off in the admin section. We also go to app settings and preference. You see cancellation plan, turn that off. Now this is it. So I go back to admin section. This time manage users. Then go to manage. Now you're able to see the plan here. Go to view plans. And this is it. You can mark this as expired or delete this plan. So definitely the system will top this up for you automatically. But if the system did not turn this off for you automatically, you just have to do them manually. So how the system be able to return this for you? Go back to file manager. Sorry, go back to your dashboard. Go to locate cron job. That is your cPanel. Locate cron jobs. So now to add a cron job here. So if you're getting this script, you also get this information. Now this cron job here is, once you copy this section, now you can see this one is for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, and 5 hours. So once you copy this information like this, once you copy this information, let me just use this one to copy this one from here. Do not copy this minute, do not copy this, just copy this link. Then you come to custom. Then you paste this here. Then you select the command option. And this one is for, go back to this section. This is for 30 minutes. Now, select command option. This is optional. This is optional. Let me just take this to where you have every 30 minutes. So if you take this to every 30 minutes, but this command should just take this section here to once an hour. Then for the minute section, change this to every 30 minutes. You understand? So this is what you do here. This one you have 5 minutes. Come to this section and come to this section for minutes. Since you have trading sections, it's best you keep it as 2 minutes. If you put it at 5 minutes, some trading is a minute, or just put it as every minute. You understand? Just in case for users going for 1 minute trade, 2 minute trade, 3 minute trade, 4 minute trade. You understand? Now for the one of 5 hours, just scroll down. Now this will be every minute, then go to hours and go to 5 hours. So this is how you do the conjure. After you've done that, just click on save. You understand? So once you set the conjure, we are good to go. Let me go back to the admin section. So we've done this for the user. Let me go back to the other section here. We have the live trading section. Now here is for the live trading section. We have for AI trading bots. Let me just go for AI trading bots and participate here. So I'll click invest now and select the investment. Let me just put it as 500 and start investment. Now this is for AI trading bots. You can see one AI trading bot is active. I'll go back to admin section. If you go to manage trades, you won't be able to see it here, right? Go back to dashboard, then go to all trading bots. This is all the AI trading bots. So go to manage users, go to manage. Once you go to manage, this is AI trading bot. The system trade for the user, meaning you trade for this particular user. So I'll click trade for this user. I'll select an amount, which is, let me say 500, and trade any currency for this user. I'll take this as profit and sell. So this will be automatic profit to the user. If I go to manage trades, now you can see it here. Go back to here, go to dashboard. Now you can see how it is, right? This profit is for the deposit profit. Now you can see, right? So the other section here is copy trading. Once I come to copy trading, I'll browse expert traders and come straight to this section, and let me say the minimum to start here. Let me just start with this. Now I'll go back to admin. Let me go back to dashboard. Go back to copy traders. Go to active copy traders. Now this is it. Now you can see active, a user's copied from this trading. I go to manage users. Go to manage. So you're able to add funds. Let me just say credit this to, let me just put this amount. Put it as profit, credit. You get it. Or you also wait for the system to do this information. When I go back to dashboard, you can see the profits has been added. So basically that's how it works. Now we have signal section here. Go back to admin. So go to manage this particular user. Click on manage. Then go to actions. Once you come to action section, now you can turn this off for user to upgrade to signal status. Okay. Once you come to upgrade signal status, now you choose a plan for this user to go. Let me say breakout signal. Then you go back to the action section, go to signal strength and increase this. Let me see, the signal strength is 78. Update the signal strength. Also go back here and go to dashboard. Now you can see the signal strength. You get it. So users come to this section and update to breakout and subscribe. So they have to go through the same process. complete this subscription. Let me just upload. Good. So if you go to admin, you can also turn that off. Just click off and it will be removed from the user section. Once you come to admin also, you can also set numbers for user to trade before. This is 2, this is the minimum, so I could just put this as 3 for users can go for withdrawal section. And also you can set withdrawal code for this particular user. Set this, and also let me just show you guys some features. Good. So users come to if you go back to deposits, now this is it. Just process this information, which is good. So we've done that. Once users come to live markets, now this is the part you send them trading signals. Okay. Now once I go to this is the signal section here. If you go to active signals, so this is signals we created. So go to manage users, go to manage. Now you can see the current signals for this, which is the breakout signals. Okay, then let's see, create a signal for these users. Let's create signals for these users. Okay, let me say BTC to USD leverage 110. The amount here should be, let me say 15. Expiration date, let me put this as 1 minute. Buy and create signals. Now if you have created signals for this particular user, so go to signals and go to active signals. Now this is ongoing signals. So I go back to dashboard. Now once you add that signal, ensure you improve this strength. You get it? Ensure you improve this strength. We go to premium signals. Now you can see how it is. Now this is where users purchase from. Now I go to my performance history. Now this my performance history is for the trading section. Now once you go to live trading, let me go back to admin, come to all signals again and actions. You can delete these signals. Now this is what you want these users to do. So let me just copy something like this. You get it? Let me go back to manage users. Then go to manage, go to action and go to where you have notify user dashboard. Now let me just paste this. This is the signals I'm sending to the user. Then once I go to dashboard, I go back to dashboard. Now you can see this is what users need to trade on, which is the breakout from 1 minute is 1.5. So I'll go to users to come to their live trade. Then this is cryptocurrency, right? BTC USD. I'll click trade. So let me go back to this section. Go back to manage users. Go to manage. Now you've gone to actions. Go to notify user dashboard. Now remember we just did we just copy and paste this. Now if you do like this, you get to notice your site wouldn't be loading anymore. So what you just have to do, just take them like this to new line. You get it? Take them to new line like this. Ensure there's no space. Then just click what? Send. So once I reload this section, you can see. So this is how you do it. Now once I go back to my live trading, which is the live market. So users that are already informed, this is what they need to do. So I'll go to, this is the market here. I'll click on trade. Now it takes you to this section. That they say buy. So we're buying. It's ongoing. Then this should still be market order and leverage. Leverage is okay 1.10. So you just have to do this for the user. If you are putting everything, you just have to put them well. Now the expiration date is 1 minute. This is okay. There's only 1 minute. You can see. I'll just put this as 3 minutes. Now put 1.5 here, and I'll just scroll down and click what? Buy. Yes. You can see once I go back here again, I'll go to, let me go to manage trades. Now you can see the trades here, right? Let me go to manage users, go to manage. Now I click on view trade. Now if you go to the manage, if you go to users, go to manage, then click on the users and the view trade section. This is it. You can see. Now you can mark this as profit or you can mark as loss. So I'll just mark this as what? Profit. You get it. Once I go back to the user section, I'll go to dashboard. So let me just go straight to my performance history. You can see profit. So basically this is how it works. Once I go back to dashboard, then let me show you guys how the connect wallet works. Before I continue, if I click on this process, go back to your file manager, go to your subdomain we created. Remember we created a subdomain. Go to that subdomain. Now this is the information here. Now if you're using Hostinger, you don't need to do anything here. But if you're using cPanel, once you create your subdomain, show your subdomain is 7.4 or 7.3. You get it. While your main domain should be 8.2. Alright, the very first step we do is you come to the index.php. Now you change this to your domain name, your domain link, which is your URL. So we'll just copy this and paste. You get it. I'll click save. Now you can also change the name if you want, but just do it this way. Then you exit section after you've saved. Then you come to php.mail, phpmail.php, edit this. Now your company email password, you put it here, your password, your email password. Then I'll go back again and copy this information, which is your company email. So I'll just Ctrl F and replace all. Good. Now the next section is scroll up to where you have names. Now this is it. Change this to your name. Now this should be your SMTP. Remember, if you want to get this, you go to your email. So you're using the SMTP of the first domain, not your subdomain. You are not creating email for your subdomain. So we are through with this. Then I'll click on save and exit section. So after you exit section, come to where you have come to this section and scroll down. Then search on call. So you can actually change this to your own um, website's name. You get it? So you're not doing anything here. Just locate where you have. So we've done that. So click on save. You exit section. Come to where you have success. And this success section is, you just scroll down. So this is the dashboard. So just change this to your domain name. Good. Just the middle part of your domain name. So that's all basically. You click save. So after you've done this section, then you go back to your public underscore HTML. Go to resources. Go to views. Then you scroll down to where you have users. Then you go straight to dashboard. And you scroll down. Now this is it. Just change this to, now no, remember your subdomain is wallet dot your main domain name. You get it? This is it. So just leave it this way and click on save. Then I exit section. I'll go back to the user section. I'll just reload here. Then I'll click what connect and click continue. You can see it takes the users to this section. So let me just go straight to this and just click continue. I'll just put out this information. Let me just say trust. So I'll just click what proceed. Now you can see it went through. Good. So if your subdomain PHP version is not 7.3 or 7.4, it won't go. You understand? So, but I imputed .hrcs to 7.3. Definitely it will go. You get it? There you take. Once user clicked on return to dashboard, I can see it takes them back here. Let me go back to my inbox as admin. Click on this section. You'll be able to see informations here. So basically, guys, this is all about this platform. Now, before I just go, let me just show you guys a bonus section, which is the withdrawal section. So once user comes to now this internal transfer, users can transfer to another users using this platform. For this loan section, the same thing was apply for credit. Let me just fill out this information. So once I apply here, just put out this information. It's easy and just accept, then submit. Then the value of what they are looking for, duration time, and submit this. You can see successful, right? Once I go back to admin, go to where you have active loans. Active loans. And this is it. If you click on action, you mark this as paid. You get it. Then I go back to manage users. Go to manage. So once you go to manage, you go to actions. Let me go to edit. Let's see. Okay. Then once you come to this section here, you go to credit and add this to credit. Then this should go to the account balance. And so basically this is it. This is how it works. Now this internal transfer, users can transfer to another users using the same platform. Now go to withdraw funds. It takes them to this section here. so they're able to read. Then the withdrawal code, put this here and verify. Now they select information. Then I hit on proceed to withdraw. The amount they want to withdraw. Then they put their wallet address. They click complete and confirm this. Then I go back to the admin section, go to manage withdrawal. So you're able to see it here. Click on view and you mark this as paid process. Then you've sent out to the users already. Once I come to this section, I go back to dashboard and you can see the withdrawal. So basically this is all about this platform. If you like this website, guys, please ensure to hit the subscribe button on my YouTube platform. Like, share and comment on my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next video.